This is my Trek 2100, I'm sorry. It's a Project Retro bike and it's a trainer. As you can see, I have my Chrism Elite Mavic wheels on here. I have my Ultegra old school 68. Oh, we got a little stall here. I have my Ritchie carbon fiber seat post, cheap seat by Specialized, the Riva, which will be replaced by an SMP carbon seat, my carbon composite 2100 frame, as you can see, my titanium bottle holders, and my Shimano Holotech 2 6800 Ultegra cranks, Ritchie carbon fiber forks, King Kenny headset, carbon fiber, Ritchie carbon fiber 90-degree neck or stem, and my Ritchie carbon fiber handlebars that's wrapped in Cush silver and black tape to kind of match the bike. And I also have my basic, as you can see, my Look pedals. These are Look. And my CD beater shoes. And I just kind of want you to see the detail of I wish I would have taken pictures before I built this bike. And it also has a Shimano 105 flippers. I have my light on it. These are my Aero Ritchie bars and stem. My Ultegra brakes, and everything is done intercable. Got the stupid light on it, but I'll change my light, get a streamlined light. So I travel to the back of the bike, look over the butted carbon with this old frame. You can see the rear wheel, which is, it's 11 speed. This bike is a 6800 Ultegra group set, 11 speed with a Chrism Elite Mavic wheel. This is what it looks like over the cockpit. Let's move towards the front. Try to be a little steadier with the camera. That's what the cockpit looks like. Don't have 100 miles in. I rode it this morning. Got like 10-15 miles in to test it, to kind of fine tune it. Tomorrow I'll take it out, let you know how everything is working out. So this is kind of like a mixed review. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break down all the parts, do a review on each part, do a review on the bike frame, and then just give you an overall review on the parts that I used and how you can actually build a bike like this for under whatever your budget is and get a good quality bike. For me, I think that I did this bike for under about, I don't know, let's just say about $600 or $700. Because some of the parts I had, I just kind of used them off, they were just kind of laying around the house, and I decided to build this bike, and I'm glad that I did. I mean, everything is brand new. There's nothing used on it except for the frame and the wheels. Look at that. It's your Ritchie carbon. Stem, handlebars. And these are actually Wish handlebars that we'll be doing a review on to see if they're really good. So I'm happy with this bike. I'll do a follow-up ride review on this bike. Keep you posted. And stay with me and follow me. Like and subscribe.